do you see any scenario where Somaliland would willingly join with Southern Somalia?
I am not clear the decisions of the United States of America about Somaliland. But I hope, and our people are expecting to have a close engagement with the United States of America, because we share certain values. First, we share the history. Somaliland was a British colony, and USA was a British colony. The Americans fought for their independence, the same way Somaliland fought for its independence. We have the same culture, the language, and most of behaviors based on UK culture. Second, Somaliland and Somalia will not join and will not be again, will not share a union for the foreseeable future. Why? Our mentalities are different.